Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. I'm showing you a little sped up video here of a little Dutch pour that I did. And this is something that I like to do, and it's a Dutch pour with many layers. That silver base coat, that wasn't silver, that was gray with silicone in it that was left over from another pour. Thinned out, and I'm going to use it for my base coat, along with some silver, some black, some gold, and some copper. And a little bit of white that I had left over too. So the base coat has silicone in it. That is not normally done, but with this particular technique, you're going to blow out the colors several different times, and that silicone is going to come through the colors each time in a different way, making those cells. So just stay tuned, watch the few little blowouts here of these colors, and I think it's going to look really nice towards the end. Please enjoy.